The Great Auk was a flightless seabird and has been extinct since 1844. Similar in appearance to smaller relatives in that they were excellent swimmers and could evade capture by people hunting them on boats. Defenseless, they were killed for food and bait by hunters, especially during the early 1800s. Huge numbers of them were caught, and the last known individual birds were killed at Elde Island in Iceland back in June of 1844. About 80 specimens, and about the same number of their eggs, have been preserved in museums. Razor-billed auks, or razorbills, are their closest living relatives. The Great Auk grew up to 30 inches tall. While the Great Auk wasn't technically a penguin, it certainly looked like one, and in fact it was the first bird to be loosely called a penguin. One significant difference is that true penguins are restricted to the southern hemisphere, especially the fringes of Antarctica. The Great Auk lived along the farthest reaches of the northern Atlantic Ocean. And like many bird species, including the bald eagle, the mute swan, and the scarlet macaw, the Great Auk was strictly monogamous. Males would faithfully pair with females until they died. The females would take a girl's trip from time to time and be questioned, but yes, they too did mate for life. The Great Auk only laid one egg at a time, which was incubated by both parents until it hatched. The last Great Auk was sighted in Newfoundland, Canada, in 1852. A chilling sculpture of the now extinct bird sits on Fogo Island in Newfoundland. The memorial was created by artist Todd McGrain as part of his Lost Bird project. The project includes sculptures of several extinct avian species placed in the last location that they were known to live. The Great Auk sculpture in Newfoundland faces another similar sculpture in Iceland. And that sculpture, also created by McGrain, in turn points towards the Icelandic island of Elde, the site of the last known Great Auk breeding colony. These are interesting things with JC.